Question 32. Solid spheres are placed inside a square-based pyramid as shown. The base of the pyramid has side lengths of 14 centimeters and the height of the pyramid is h centimeters. The radius of each sphere is 1.5 centimeters. The amount of empty space remaining inside the pyramid after 30 spheres have been placed inside the pyramid is 634 centimeters cubed. What is the height h of the pyramid? Give your answer correct to the nearest centimeter. So, what I'm thinking is we find the volume of the pyramid and the volume of all the spheres and just subtract them. So if we start with the volume of the pyramid, the volume of any pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So in this case, it's going to be equal to 1/3 and then 14 times 14, 14 squared, because it's a square pyramid, and then multiply that by h. And if we try to simplify that, that should equal, if you put it into your calculator, 196 over 3 times h, because we still don't know h, and this is centimeters cubed. It's a volume. Now, let's look at the volume of the spheres. So the volume of one sphere, if you look in your formula sheet, is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now, if we want 30, we just multiply this by 30. Now, if we try and simplify this and sub in our numbers, it's 4/3 pi, and our radius is 1.5 centimeters for each sphere. So 1.5 cubed times 30. And then you put this in your calculator, it's going to be 135 pi centimeters cubed. I'm keeping pi intact because pi is just going to make it a long decimal, and if we put pi directly in our calculator, then we get no rounding errors or anything like that. So I like to keep pi intact. Now, if we want to find how much space is remaining, it said it has 634 centimeters cubed left. So we're going to take the volume of the pyramid minus the volume of the spheres, and that should equal 634 centimeters cubed. So the volume of the pyramid was 196 over 3 times h minus 135 pi, that equals 634. Now, if we rearrange this, let's move the 135 pi over first. So h is going to equal 634 minus plus 135 pi, and then this 3 we're going to multiply it up. So we're going to multiply everything by 3 and then divide everything by 196. And then if we put that in our calculator, that should equal 16.1956 centimeters, and that's to 4 decimal places. But then if we want to the nearest centimeter, that is going to equal 16 centimeters to the nearest centimeter.